Hello, my name is Benjamin John Pope and I'm going to teach you step by step how to make a bar that you can use as a title bar or whatever you like to make your websites like. I'm going to teach you how to make something which could be used to hold buttons, and we're going to get started, and we're going to grab the rectangle tool. We're going to pull out the rectangle like so. Excuse me. What we're going to do is we're going to use the arrow tool to pull out a section like that and delete it, and do the same there. We're then going to move this over so it's perfectly straight on the opposite sides. Now this is going to have buttons here in the gap, so let's carry on. You want to press FN and F8 and convert it to button banner movie clip. Select it again, copy it, paste in place, paste in place, paste in place. Now to paste in place is Control Shift V. To copy is Control and C. You should know this. I've talked about it on the previous tutorials, but now you're going to select layer 1, move it down to there, and select a solid colour of black. We're going to select layer 2, bring it down, and we're going to make it a blue banner. So that blue, go to layer 4 and choose modify, shape, expand fill, inset 10 pixels. You're now going to select the gradient, linear gradient, and it's going to be a blue. That blue matches nicely. We're going to bring in a darker colour in the middle, and we're going to bring the alpha down 100%. We're going to then get the gradient transform tool, which over to your left in the tool palette is this block here, or you press F on the keyboard. We're going to swing it around until it's like that. We're now going to grab layer 3 and make that a dark blue, and that is a pretty cool bar. But the last thing to do is to copy the top layer, add it into layer 5, and then modify. Now this is a good effect. It's how you make a blurred edge. So shape, soften fill edges, number of steps 8, distance 15, and you're going to say inset. You don't really notice it, but if you was going to make that white, for example, and then put that on a black background, look at how good that looks. Doesn't that look good? It's It's a perfect little media icon. That's the bar that's step by step and it's 3D slightly. But what you definitely want to do is do the same to the white layer. So shape, soften fill edges, expand. There we go. Perfect. So now all you want to do is throw out a button, FN F8 button underscore 1, OK, copy it, control copy, do the same, control shift paste, control shift paste, control shift paste. We're going to lock them all, undo the top layer, cut the bottom half off, get rid of the line, solid colour of green, unlock them all, layer 3, modify, shape, expand, fill, inset 10, get rid of the line, layer 2, layer 1 we need to get, layer 1 needs to be white, get rid of the line on layer 2, layer 2, I'm just moving them around with the arrow keys. Because now we want to select the radial linear again. When we select the linear, just flip it round. Like so. Now there's another one that we want to do a solid blue. And this needs to be a solid dark blue. Like that. So control copy it. Layer 2 underneath layer 1. I just copied and pasted the same thing 4 times. This is the speed that you can do it in. Personally, I would have one more. Then I'll select them all by selecting one with the arrow tool, holding down shift and selecting the rest of them. You then want to make them smaller. Now that's looking good. Let's zoom into that a minute. 100%, 75%. So that's what it will look like on your web page. But the reason I copied these over, I'm going to teach you a little shortcut. We're going to go into the button, go above layer 4, get the text, for example, and write home. Do it like that. Make it black. Just to make it a little bit better, above layer 4, just to make it a little bit more fun, we're going to put a black just making a little black triangle. Like that. You mess around with it and do whatever you want to do. Do that or whatever. But what I'm going to show you, the reason I did them all the same, is if you click on the options with the other button on your mouse and hit duplicate symbol, okay. Duplicate symbol, okay. Duplicate symbol, okay. Duplicate symbol, okay. Now all those symbols are different symbols, so you can just go in and edit it how you want in a really fast, productive way. So then you save your file. And that is it really quick how to make a pretty good little banner getting rid of the black bits just to have a look at it. You can obviously mess around with the colours better. If we went in to change the colours a bit more, taking a bit more time, it would be a bit better. But that is a quick way of copying buttons and duplicating the buttons and using copy and paste in a way of productive 3D, I don't know, application banner. Thank you for listening.